Hi there, let's talk about installing a buoy. Buoy is a smart home water device that attaches to a home's main water line. It sends water usage data to an app so users see where they're using water, receive leak alerts, and shut off water remotely. Most homeowners have a licensed professional like you install Buoy. If you or the homeowner need any help along the way, call our swim team at 1-855-481-7112. Before you arrive on site, ask the homeowner to send you a photo of the area near the main shutoff valve so you can decide where to install the buoy and what configuration to use. Buoy goes after the main water line from the city but before the pipes branch throughout the house. Buoy can be installed inline vertically or horizontally with a water horn, or on flexible line. Inline installations are simplest, but a water horn works well if space is tight. Flexible line works when buoy is on a water softener loop. You'll need adapters for anything other than 3/4 inch pipe, so grab those and any other supplies and let's begin. The homeowner should have charged the battery within the last 24 hours, downloaded the app, and added Buoy to their home Wi-Fi. If they haven't gotten their buoy on their Wi-Fi yet, they should call the swim team while you are still installing the device. Before you turn off the water or cut a pipe, check buoy's shutoff valve. First, put in the battery. Buoy needs power. Next, look down the center of buoy to verify that the valve is open, then press the red button for 2 seconds to shut the valve. Visually confirm that it's closed. Press the red button for 2 seconds again to open the valve. If the valve works, you can start installing buoy, and if necessary, the homeowner can charge the battery. Turn off the water at the home's main supply valve, then drain water from the house. Measure, mark, and cut the pipe where you're installing buoy. To install inline, vertical, or horizontal, add the couplings, washers, gaskets, and compression nuts. Then put the buoy in place and tighten the compression nuts. If you're using a water horn, connect the adapters, gaskets, union fittings, and water horn, then tighten it all up. Place the buoy in the water horn with gaskets and tighten again. To install buoy using flexible line, attach the couplings with rubber gaskets to each end of the buoy, then attach flexible lines to each coupling. In any configuration, make sure the buoy logo faces outward and the LED is visible, and brace the buoy securely. To test, put the fully charged battery in the buoy. The LED in the B in the logo will glow white, then flash for about 1 minute. Turn on the water at the main, check for leaks, and be sure the pressure is between 50 and 80 psi. Ask the homeowner to run water through the system to verify normal water flow. Test the shutoff valve again by pressing the red button and holding it for 2 seconds. After the valve closes, open it again. Now, have the homeowner open the app and verify that they can see water usage. Buoy is installed. If homeowners have questions about the app, getting Buoy online, categorization, alerts, or anything on the technical side of Buoy, our swim team is here to help.